Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
There comes a point for almost every man past 40 when mornings start to feel different. You roll out of bed a little slower. Your lower back feels tight. Your knees sound like they're negotiating with you. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you tell yourself, well, I guess this is what getting older feels like. But what if that explanation is totally wrong? Here's a perspective most men never hear. A huge portion of what we associate with aging isn't actually about age. It's about losing movement, muscles shutting down from lack of use, blood circulation becoming sluggish, and the communication between your brain and body getting fuzzy. When that system stalls, your energy dips and your hormonal drive takes a hit. The encouraging part? A lot of this can be improved. No prescription, no complicated equipment, just strategic movement designed to wake your body up again. And before we get started, I want to know, how old are you, and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. Because today, I'm going to guide you through 5 simple movements that help restore mobility, boost circulation, and support natural vitality as you get older. 1. The hip opening reset. Frog stretch. If your hips tighten up, everything around them tightens too. Hours of sitting, in your car, office chair, sofa, gradually stiffens the muscles that support circulation, pelvic health, and lower body strength. Your hips act as the main hub of movement, and when they're locked up, the whole system feels dull. Let's change that. Get down onto a mat and bring your knees wide apart, keeping your feet behind you with your toes turned out. Lean forward onto your elbows or hands. Take a slow inhale, and as you breathe out, allow your hips to sink gently back. Let gravity take over, no pushing, no forcing. Within a few seconds, you'll notice a stretch deep through your inner thighs. That's your adductor line opening up, a chain of tissue that links directly to your pelvic floor. As that area releases, blood begins flowing again, and tension you've been carrying for years starts to loosen. Stay here for about 30 seconds. Breathe deeply. Rest for 10. Do 3 rounds. Each time, you'll notice a little more warmth spreading through your hips and down your legs, almost like your body is switching the lights back on. 2. The spinal wake up. Cat-cow flow. Once the hips start to release, the next place energy needs to move is up through your spine. Think of the spine as your internal communication highway. If it's rigid, everything slows down. This classic movement has been used for centuries to keep the back supple and the nervous system sharp. Come onto your hands and knees. As you inhale, lift your chest and tailbone and let your belly move toward the floor. As you exhale, round your spine up toward the ceiling and tuck your chin. Move with your breath, slow and steady, almost like you're creating a rolling wave through your body. After a few rounds, you'll feel warmth building along your back. That warmth is your circulation picking up speed and your brain receiving clearer signals from your body. A flexible spine helps improve posture, breathing, and overall energy levels. Complete 10 controlled breaths. This simple flow acts like a reset button for your entire system. 3. The strength route, horse stance. Now that your spine and hips are awake, it's time to build a sense of grounded power. Cultures across the world, from ancient Greece to East Asia, used this stance to develop discipline, balance, and strength. Stand with your feet much wider than usual. Turn your toes slightly outward. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, bend your knees until your thighs approach parallel to the ground. Keep your posture tall and steady. Within moments, you'll feel the burn in your legs, hips, and glutes. Don't fear that shaking. That's your deep stabilizing muscles firing up again. Hold for 30 seconds. Shake out your legs. Repeat for 60 seconds on the next round. As you rise from the position, straighten your legs slowly and notice how the blood rushes upward. That pressure and release pattern sends an immediate wave of energy through your torso and spine. Many men notice a calm, steady focus when they finish this stance, a sense of being centered and alert. 4. Forward fold to glute activation. The circulation reboot. Most people bend forward, feel a tug in their hamstrings, and call it a day. But this movement works because of what you do after the fold. Begin standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale and stretch your arms overhead. Exhale and hinge forward from your hips, letting your body hang freely. Take a few slow breaths here. Let everything soften. Now, rise back up, and at the top, squeeze your glutes firmly and press your hips slightly forward. That squeeze encourages fresh blood flow throughout your pelvic region and spine. Repeat the sequence 5 times. Reach up, right pointing arrow, fold, right pointing arrow, rise, right pointing arrow, squeeze. You'll feel your whole body growing warmer and lighter. Activating your glutes in this intentional way helps spark dopamine release and increases nitric oxide, 2 key players in energy and performance. 5. The core ignition. Glute bridge with pelvic activation. This final movement ties everything together: hips, spine, breath, and core. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet planted on the floor. Rest your arms at your sides. Take a deep inhale. On your exhale, push through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Keep your chest open and your shoulders grounded. At the top, squeeze your glutes firmly. Imagine gently drawing your tailbone and pubic bone toward each other. This internal engagement helps reconnect muscles that often go dormant with age or long periods of sitting. Hold for about 5 seconds, then lower your spine one segment at a time. Repeat 10 times. With each lift, you're encouraging stronger circulation in the pelvis and signaling your body to support natural hormone balance, stability, and strength. Over time, this movement can help you feel more grounded, more energized, and more connected to your core. Finish your last repetition and rest for a moment. Notice the warmth in your lower abdomen and the calm in your breath. That steady pulse you feel? That's your body remembering how to work at full capacity again. A lot of men believe that once they hit 40, their best days are behind them. But your body isn't giving up on you, it's simply waiting for you to reconnect with it. These 5 movements aren't just stretches. They're a way to rebuild communication between your mind, muscles, and breath. They help restore mobility, support healthy blood flow, and bring back the presence and confidence you may have thought was fading. Do this routine every morning. 10 minutes is enough. It's a small investment that can create a massive shift in how you feel throughout the day. If you noticed any changes, maybe more warmth, clearer breathing, or a sense of strength returning, share it below. Tell me your age, your country, and how your body feels right now, because this is more than a routine. It's your path back to yourself.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.